In this review, we're taking a detailed look at Vaultree, a password manager that claims to bring zero-knowledge encryption and privacy-first features to the forefront. Right from the landing page, Vaultree positions itself as a privacy-focused alternative in the crowded space of password managers. The interface is clean, with a sleek dashboard and quick access to stored credentials, secure notes, and identity information. During account setup, Vaultree doesn't request unnecessary personal details, which is a plus for those concerned about data overreach. Once logged in, the user is presented with an intuitive layout. Adding passwords is straightforward, and the autofill function works on most major browsers with the Vaultree extension. However, I noticed that on some lesser-known websites, the autofill can be hit or miss. There's also a built-in password generator, but it lacks some customization options compared to other tools like Bitwarden or 1Password. Vaultree emphasizes security with end-to-end encryption and claims to use a zero-knowledge architecture. That means your data is encrypted before it leaves your device, and even Vaultree itself can't see your stored information. That's a strong selling point. If you're serious about privacy, this kind of setup matters. Still, there's currently no support for biometric login on desktop, which is a feature that would greatly improve usability. Mobile experience is solid though. The app is lightweight, responsive, and syncs in real time across devices. Setup with 2FA is smooth, but again, more customization options would be ideal. Vaultree does not yet support shared vaults, which might be a downside if you're managing passwords for a team or family. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Vaultree's performance is fast. Credential retrieval happens in a second or two, and the UI doesn't lag, even with a full vault. There is currently no emergency access feature, which can be a concern if something happens to the account owner. Compared to other tools, Vaultree is still growing, and some features feel like they're still in beta. Support is available through email and a ticketing system, but there's no live chat. Their help center is decent, but not extensive. There's a noticeable absence of community forums or user discussions, which limits shared learning. Pricing is competitive, but there's no freemium plan beyond a trial period, so you need to commit if you want to use it long-term. Overall, Vaultree offers strong security features with some usability limitations. If privacy and encryption are your top priorities, it's worth trying. But if you're looking for advanced features or family sharing, it might fall short for now. Make sure to hit that like button if this video helped you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews just like this one.